Welcome back, guys, to another episode on the BMW 2002 restoration project. Basically, what you're going to see in the video is behind me. It's done. I forgot to film an intro. It's been super hectic, like super hectic. So basically, as you can see, the place is a bit of a mess. I'm just walking around here, probably going to trip over, but yeah, car's sitting in a pretty good spot, and we're getting ready to take it down to the Brit and Euro Brit and Euro car show in Pakuranga, which is Lloyd Elsmore Park. And that's this weekend. So if you've got nothing to do, Sunday, 1st of March, come down. We're gonna have a little stand there. We're gonna have the Beamer and the Citroen. Anyway, got some time lapse of us getting this BMW ready for the show. And also, you know, we need to do this anyway. We need to get the car paneled, and that's the mission we're on. The part 7 of the engine, I wanna really sort of sit down and talk about the engine, what we've done, and what we're gonna do in the future, if anything. But anyway, watch the time lapse, get caught up. Let's get to it.
Oh, that pulled it.
You have to pull it again. That's it.
Yeah, that pulled it. Yeah. Might have to do another one in the middle of there. Actually,
that may actually be right if you just, we can just shrink it then, you know.
that's it, hang on. Let me see if I can take the crease out of that one. Yeah. That's taken the crease out. Yeah, all we've got to do now is shrink that so it stays out there like that.
Right, so we're on the other side now. This side is the worst side because of this door. This looks a bit patchy, but this guard's actually alright. But yeah, this door's rough, really rough. This is the one that we put the bottom skin on, so we're just trying to get it as straight as possible because I don't really want to fill it up with too much body filler. So we're going to go ahead and bit by bit pull it and then shrink the metal.
We need to shrink it just here somewhere. We need to hold that like that and shrink it.
Yep, just put the shrinking tool on. Do you want to give us an update on what you've been doing? Because I've been working on that thing.
Okay, well I just hit this with a grinder and all the filler popped out. So we have holes all along the top edge which have just been filled. There's a split in the corner there, there's a couple of splits behind.
And you pull the rest out.
There's a big split all the way around where the door handle used to go. I've pulled this as flat as I can get it and stopped it from popping in and out.
I need to see where he's then like heated it and shrunk the middle.
Stop it popping in and out.
Ooh, doesn't open.
Yeah.
Woo!
And I found a few splits on the inside which need to be repaired. A few holes that shouldn't be in it. This is going to be a little bit more difficult to repair.
Someone's got to try to repair that.
Yeah, I'm not exactly sure how we're going to do that, but this has all got to be pulled back together again and repaired. Yeah, that's going to be a little bit difficult.
Once that's done, we can get a skimmer body filler out and see where we're at and see where it's sitting.
Get a pair of mould grips and squash that with a pair of mould grips and then weld through.
Yeah.
Because there is a second skin, so I'm going to weld right through to the second skin.
Yeah.
I'll fill these in. These were for the wing mirror. We'll have to make new holes for the wing mirror.
Oh, and you got to weld these up as well.
Yeah, and I'm going to weld all of those.
Yeah, sweet. Coolio. Alright, I'll leave it to it. I'll go finish off this razor.
Oh man, it's got to be welded too.
Oh, yeah.
And basically...
Cool. Alright, I think I'm going to leave that video there. I don't know where we are in the videos at the moment, and as you can probably tell, things are a little bit all over the place. But I'm going to leave it there, so we've still got to body fill the whole right side of the car. This side's looking pretty damn good, so she's looking pretty good down there with the flares and everything on. So we'll finish off the other side in the next video, because this weekend, I'm probably going to post this Tuesday, Wednesday. If you're in Auckland this weekend, March the 1st on the Sunday, there is a show in Pakuranga at Lloyd Elsmore Park. It is the Brit and Euro Classic Car Show, I believe that's what it is. Come along, we'll be there. We'll have the Citroen SM, so the Citroen Maserati, and the BMW in its current state, with the engine built in and all the turbo and everything on. Just something to look at. Some of you might be interested in like the process of, you know, or how far you kind of have to go to do what we're doing and stuff like that. Just something to look at. But yeah, so we'll leave it here. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.